In this video, we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to create online and print ads in a minute using Weha's HomeStream solution. So when you log into your HomeStream, you'll see some buttons up top to create a listing for sale. It can be for rent, open house, lots, lands, or new construction. This particular publisher is just doing for sale, open houses, and land. But to create a digital and print ad, you just click Add for Sale, and that's going to open up a form page. And you can start, or someone on the broker's realtor side can start typing in all of the information, bedrooms, baths, description, or you can use Wehaa Smart Import technology. So I'm going to go to the internet and I'm going to copy the URL of this listing from Mitchell Realty, go back over to HomeStream, paste the link where it says House Web Link, and then click the Import Data button. And now our system is going out to the internet and it's getting everything it needs to create a print ad and a digital ad. And there it is. You can see it over there on the right. It's that simple. We also offer the ability to enhance the ad, do a little more to it. You could put a video tour link on a digital ad. If you put the link to the video there, or if the agent puts their link, we superimpose a video tour button over the listing picture. You click that button and it goes right to the tour. You can put a header on the ad. You can select different print publications. Wehaa offers a very nice reverse publishing component. You can have more than one print publication, templates in there. You can select what template this particular ad is going to go on. You get to choose the print dates. We gray out the dates that your paper does not print, but we make the dates you print active. The Premier Homes publication prints on the 19th and the 26th. We pull over a print description. You can select an online expiration date. And then as you scroll down, there's more information about the house. There's an online description. You can add a banner in the corner, something like just listed, price reduced. You can change the background color and the text color of the little banner. And then we get down to the agent's picture. You know how picky they are about that, but we make it real easy for your agents to log in here, crop their picture, change the photo, change their information. We bring over a couple of the listing images, and it's really easy to just drag the image that you want in the ad, and you can see it in real time over on the right. And then when you're all done, you click Preview and Submit. It brings up another preview of the ad, and there's a disclaimer down on the bottom. So if your agent and brokers are doing this, and we see about 50% of the listings in HomeStream that we have across the country being done and entered by the broker side. But right here, there's a little disclaimer that would approve that print ad and circumvent all the back and forth that's typically associated with the print ad, but they would just click confirm and everything's done. It's that simple. Thank you.